how to use video for your network marketing business. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I want you guys to realize that each social media platform has video, right? But each video is structured just a little bit differently depending on which social media platform you're on. And we're going to dive in deep into what I mean in today's video. So make sure you stay tuned. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, video is here to stay. And if you are building an online business, if you are building your network marketing business online, you have to be building through video. It's the quickest way to that like, know, and trust factor that your audience is going to experience when you're showing up with video. It's also the way that you can provide value to your audience in a way that makes them very loyal and part of your tribe, right? But each social media platform, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be TikTok, I think the only social media platform, or YouTube, the only social media platform right now that doesn't have video is Clubhouse. And that's very new and it's very different, right, than your other social media platforms. But what you need to realize is that your Facebook Lives are very different than, let's say, your YouTube videos. So if you wanted to make YouTube videos and you want to grow your network marketing business using YouTube, your video structure is going to be very different. And I'm actually going to link right up here a video that I have on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business, because it's been a great video platform for me. And I'm going to share with you more information over there. But if you think about it, a YouTube, right? You come in, you talk, you give your spiel, and we're going to break down the different components of a video in a second. But when you're talking, right? Where on a Facebook Live, you're engaging and interacting with your audience. So you wouldn't want to take your Facebook Live and upload it onto your YouTube, because it's a different format, it's a different structure, and you need to realize that, right? Or your TikTok videos that are 15 seconds long, those are going to be very different. You're going to have a very different hook and a very different call to action than you would in, let's say, a YouTube video where it's about 7 or 8 minutes long, right? Or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. And so each social media platform has a little bit of a different feel in terms of their videos. Now, I want you to realize that when you are starting your network marketing business, or maybe you've been doing it for a long time, you are going to make mistakes. You are not going to have instant success making videos. You're going to feel silly. You're going to feel awkward. You might even start to sweat. You might even start to have a little bit of minor panic attacks, and know that that's okay, because we were not set out to be broadcasters, right? We didn't go to journalism school or anything like that. And so it takes time to get better at it. But I will say the key to my success, and the reason that I've had success, is because of my videos. And they're, some of them are raw, they make mistakes, I make mistakes all the time, but I wanna show you that you can be authentically you, and that attracts your audience to them. But what I see so often is people are stuck in their business, or they're not having the success they want because of video. And for that reason, I've created a membership site called the Video Confidence Academy. That's a monthly membership site that's going to give you the A to Z's to feel confident on camera, understanding how each social media platform is different in the videos, how you can show up, how you can create content, what content you should be putting out there, as well as some editing tips if you're building your business online and you need to be able to edit your videos, right? So it's a to Z on all things video marketing for network marketers. I'm gonna link it in the description below so you can check out more of what this monthly membership has to offer. But if you've been, a little hesitant about pushing that live button, or maybe you've pushed it a few times but you feel like you haven't gotten the engagement and the success that you want, membership is for you. So make sure in the description of this video you check it out. Now, I want to talk about quickly the different structures of a video, right? There's 3 key components of a video when you're doing, Facebook Lives or YouTube or whatever it may be. And it's a hook. The first one is the hook. You have your hook. You've got 2 to 3 seconds literally to capture somebody's attention before they decide if they're going to swipe or if they're going to move on to the next video, right? So you want to have a very engaging and capturing hook. That's your first component of your video. The second component is your content. This is where you are going to be providing value to your audience, not where you're going to be spamming them, but where you're going to be providing value and give them information, just like I did here in this video where I'm giving you tips and strategies on how to use video for your business. And then finally, this is where I think people make the biggest mistake, is they don't have a call to action. Or if they do have a call to action, or what we like to call a CTA, they have too many. And they have like, oh, if you want to join this group, go over here. And if you want to buy my products, go over here. Well, each video serves a specific purpose. And you want to have one call to action, because if you have multiple calls to action, you have a confused audience. And a confused audience does nothing, right? So we don't want that. So again, the three parts of a video are your hook, your content, and your call to action. And I dive deep into this in my membership site. It would take me too long to go into all of the details and the nitty-gritty, but know that that's the basic structure of your, your video. And it doesn't matter, it's across all platforms for your video, your video streaming that you're doing. Now, I will say, you are leaving money on the table if you are not practicing your video skills. The quickest way to success is through video. And I want you to know success leaves clues. So I want you to think about all of the leaders in your industry, all the leaders in your company. What do you notice about them? You probably notice that if they're building an online business, they are showing up on video. And so the key to your success is to make sure that you are showing up with video with confidence. And that is my goal. And one of the things that I'm so passionate about, because when I peel back all of my success, it all resorts back to video. All right. So I hope that this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss another episode of Julie Reynolds TV, and we'll see you next week.